Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my boy Angel. So he's bringing me to this truck trail. So we're about to check this out. Well, we're already here, but we're about to check it out, see what's up. See if it's legit or if he's just lying. But
it's legit.
hey, we're a little
right
dark,
now, bro.
We're a little dark, bro. Alright. Here, you're gonna be the cameraman for a little bit.
Just hold it, or is it recording already?
It's recording already.
That's what I was drifting yesterday. Be careful, because you can fucking go off the cliff.
A little bit. Don't want us to fall, you know, shit.
Yeah. Oh. Mexico over there.
Do a little donut.
Do it. Send it, bro. Send it, bro. Send it, bro. Damn, badass over here.
Yeah, dude.
Not where that where you came. Oh, his signature goes up there.
What?
It's probably like PP right there, CVP.
Oh, how you guys doing that, dude?
This is America. I'm American. Not my buddy here. He got married to his wife. To his Caucasian wife. Damn, bro, you trying to drive down there?
We said off-road, no?
I'm gonna hide these screwdrivers. They're probably gonna be like, damn, he stole this car with a screwdriver.
It's like, so Mexico's over there. That's the border over there. Then you got
The city.
city light. Oh, bro, you okay? Yeah. Don't slip on me. I don't want to give mouth to mouth. I don't know what this was, bro. This is probably like. Christian is here with Sparky. Oh, alright. Cheers, I think it's a beast. Yeah.
There's like you see all those trails over there on that land?
Yeah.
That's all the like the 905.
Oh, that's the 905?
Yeah.
No one's there right now, huh?
They don't look like it.
Hey, but you think the Civic could do that?
Yeah, we can take it. You wanna take it?
Yeah, I'm down.
I
Yeah.
took like a little hike up there because I thought I was close to the antennas, you know?
Uh-huh.
And then I seen this shit and I was like, what the fuck? And I was like, oh,
These are like some jails right here.
take some pictures of my dog right here with him. Locked up.
Oh, it's dark in there. Oh, damn.
It's like a little fire. It's not, I mean, I wouldn't say there's no corona in here, but. Oh, hell, that's not dude.
Hey, what you think this was?
It looks like a little sewer thing right there. Maybe this shit was like a little gel. What the fuck? Look at this.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what this shit. Like, these were like heavy duty ass shit too. Like, these ain't like.
I was thinking of stealing one of these. Like this whole gate. Fuck it.
What?
And then there's another one down there. Look, I seen that shit too, but I don't know.
Oh shit.
I don't know. You wanna go check it out?
Go down through there.
You down?
Are you done?
My legs a little hurt.
I don't want you to fall.
Fuck no. Let's go. I'm gonna go
You
yesterday.
go. Oh shit. Yeah, it's just.
Or it just went straight down.
Fight club. Trying to go in there?
Yeah. You come here, you gotta fight.
Oh fuck.
Damn, this shit's way cleaner. It looks like no one's been down here.
Nah, people be fucking. What was this place used for? Fight club.
That ain't this caddy right here. Right here. Oh, he's all asleep.
Huh?
I've never been in here, bro. Because you're not supposed to. Someone comes down.
It's my house.
That's a nice little fucking crib right here, huh?
Oh yeah.
I want to know what these are for, though.
Shotgun. This pipe, maybe.
That shit looks even better from my hand. Well, you hurt?
I hurt my knee. Damn. Woo! Cuckoo! Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Woo!
Oh, yeah, you can hear it. I didn't even know. I thought we were gonna offroad.
Woo! I didn't even bring water, bro. My mouth is parched. Damn it. Yeah, I did that. Alright, we headed up there now to the antennas. Oh, they probably make a U-turn right here. We heading up there now. We're gonna see what's up. Wow.
It's recorded. Just try to watch out with your oil pan. Hey bro, nah, go back down, go back down.
I know, you got this. Shit, bro, what are you talking about? Shit. Alright, we'll stay to the edge over here.
Oh shit.
Alright, let's chill right here. Let's chill right here. We pushed it. Damn, I just made it down there. Oh, that was sketch. Oh fuck. Oh, Angel shit his pants. He was scared. We're about to get stuck up here. You see that? Put it in 4-wheel drive? That shit went up. Oh, made it up. Damn, we got hella data right here, bro. Hella data. We came up to the antennas. We made it to the antennas. The Civic made it up. The Angels right there. And then we got the more of San Diego over here. Shit. We're gonna hit that mud.
We're gonna hit that mud.
Only one side.
Hit it again, hit it again. Just a little bit. Right, I just hit it like that.
Oh, fuck.
This shit looks sick, bro.
Let me see that. So I'm gonna make this video into 2 parts only because it's extremely long. After this one right here, we're going down to like what they call the 905, which is a whole bunch of like trails, mainly for like motorcycles and stuff like that. But you're able to take your truck or vehicle or whatever into those trails, and then it goes further into those trails, and then yeah, there's just as much fun as we had in the first one. So you guys stick around to watch this part 2, which will be coming out in a couple days. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked what you saw. Also, don't forget to check out the Meister online store down below. Links are down below. But yeah, also don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bells to get notified every time I post. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.